Hi, I'm Rupinder, aka Makeup by Roops, and I'm here today to unbox the NYX Professional Makeup Love Lust Disco Advent Calendar. I'm so excited to see what's inside. I have tried a lot of the NYX Professional Makeup products before because I have been in the Face Awards 2 years running, so I'm really excited to see what new products I discover today. Oh my gosh, it's huge! So this actually retails at £50, but the products you get inside are worth £210, which is amazing value. How cool is this? And the theme is Love, Lust, Disco. So let's get started. So here's the NYX Suede Matte Lipstick in STFU. I won't say what that actually, stands for. I've loved this whole range of lipsticks. I've got the entire range at home. Very lucky to have them. So we have a Foil Play Cream Pigment. And I have a couple of these at home actually. I've never tried them out properly. So I'll be very excited to try this. So it's the Candy Slick Glowy Lip Colour in shade Jawbreaker, so very wearable as well. It's one of their blending brushes. It is number 17 and it's one of my favourite blending brushes. It is quite big and it's quite firm, but it's also quite fluffy at the same time, so it's great for blending. So one of my favourite brushes. So this is a plumping lip polish. I do actually have this range as well, but I've not actually tried it out yet, so I'm excited to try this. Number 7, we've got a eyeshadow in the colour Heat, and it's a really lovely, it's like a bronze, reddish bronze shade. It's gorgeous. It's going to be a really nice shimmer shade that you can almost use on top of another shade or by itself. I think this will look really, really nice. Having number 8, retractable lip liner. So I'm just going to swatch this one because it looks like a really lovely shade. That is such a gorgeous nudie pink, and it's definitely a shade that I would wear. It's so lovely and it really glides on. So creamy. We've got the Slip Tease Lip Lacquer in the shade Strawberry Whip, which is a lovely berry toned lip. It's almost like a lip gloss / liquid lipstick. It's a really interesting formula, these Slip Tease lippies. I'm a big fan of these, and it's a lovely, lovely colour. So we've got the metallic eyeliner in Gunmetal, really pigmented again, really creamy. They really glide on really nicely on the eye. They don't tug your eye at all. Yeah, highly recommend these, really lovely. So we've got in here another favourite range of mine, the Liquid Suede Lippies, and this is a metallic matte. This is in the shade Biker Babe. It's a rich silvery plum shade, I would describe it as. So I'm actually going to swatch this as well because look at that, it's such a gorgeous shade. Lovely vintage Christmassy colour. Oh my gosh, look, this is Lip Loving Balm. This is Everything range. Let me tell you, one of my favourite NYX Professional Makeup products. The lip oil has no colour in there, and it's just a lovely, it's not sticky at all, and it just really hydrates the lips. It's just one of my favourite products. Very excited, very, very exciting. What have we got in this one? We've got the Illuminating Powder in Snow Rose. I think it's kind of duochromatic, so it will be kind of a silvery shift, but it will have a rose tint to it as well. Very exciting to play with that one. We've got one of the Faux Blacks eyeliners, these are. It's an inner eyeliner. It's in the colour Obsidian, which is a very dark blue. I have tried this product and it is really lovely, really creamy, really pigmented, and you won't be disappointed with this. So in number 15, we've got the Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream in the shade Copenhagen. Another brush. This is my all-time favourite brush. I rave about this brush on a regular occasion. Let me show you. So this is a kind of a flat angled brush. I absolutely love it for the lower lash line. It's so easy to kind of place pigment and place product really precisely, but it also helps to blend out really well. So I love this brush. This is the Line and Load 2-in-1 Lippy. This is interesting. I've never seen this one before. It's in the shade Ride or Die, which looks like a dark brown. I'm gonna open this one because I've not tried this product before. This looks like such a cool product. It looks like you can line your lips and then fill your lips in with the same product. Perfect. Very clever, NYX Professional Makeup. So what we have here is This Is Everything lip scrub. Goes very nicely with the balm, a little duo there. Very exciting. So in number 19, we've got an Away We Glow highlighter in the shade Gold Rush. Lovely golden shade there. A Cosmic Metals lip cream in the shade Metropolitan Night. Lovely nude shimmery shade there. In number 21, we have the good old Worth the Hype mascara. It's great, actually. All of these products are full-sized. So you are really, really getting your money's worth out of all of these products. So So in number 21, we have the Glitter Goals liquid lipstick in the shade Shimmy. It's obviously a glittery liquid lipstick, and it's a really interesting kind of duo pigment. It's almost pink and gold at the same time. Very cool. And in number 23, we have one of the glitters in the shade Bronze, which is obviously a bronze shade. And NYX Professional Makeup glitters are some of my favorite glitters. The particles are really small, and they're really nice and shimmery, and they just don't fall out all over the place, so they're really lovely. And in number 24, we have the Lip Lingerie in the shade French Maid. It's a nice nude shade, again, nice pinky nude, very wearable. And what I would say about this range, again, the formula is really comfortable on the lips. It's slightly more matte than, say, the liquid suede, but it's really, really comfortable as well. And this really is one of my favorite formulas, so very cool. 24 amazing products, all full size. I'm very, very impressed. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And for more content like this, please subscribe.